Welcome to the Social Network module. Two simulations make up this module: L's Horrific Exam Day and Einstein's Problem. We'll first take a look at the L's Horrific Exam Day simulation. To do so, click on the icon next to the title. This simulation is a basic logic problem that asks you to decide when, with whom, and for how long L has exams during one dreadful day. Follow the on-screen instructions and drag the correct piece of data, such as class or teacher name, to the solution grid. When you have what you think is the correct solution, click the Check Answer button. You can also click the Instructions button to display the instructions again at any point. Click the Main Menu button to return to the opening screen of the module. Einstein's problem is another logic problem, only this one is much harder than L's problem. The controls and actions are identical to L's Horrific Exam Day. Again, drag the data to the solution grid to solve the problem, and click the Check Answer button when done to see how well you did.